Something new and I think pretty neat in the latest version of Microsoft's PowerToys, version 0.70.0. And the new item I want to point out to you in this video, you'll find it under File Explorer Add-ons. Select it, and the newest add-on is to be able to view files of different file types in a preview pane just by selecting or highlighting. In my case, since I use a single click, a highlight is the same as selecting a file. You don't need to open it. Let me show you how this new preview pane works. I've highlighted a text file in one of the folders under File Explorer, and all I need to do now to see what's in that file is to hit the shortcut key combination of Control and the space bar. And as soon as I do that, you see the information contained in that text file in a preview box. To close it, one of two ways. In most instances, you can just hit the X at the top right to get out of it. If this should not work, and there are some files it doesn't work in, then just hit the Control and space bar again, and you'll close that window. Let's try it on something else. That was a text file. How about an MP4? Again, I've highlighted or selected that file. Now I'll use the Control and space bar. Google's new generative AI search helper. And there you go. It's now playing that video. To close it, in this case, you'll know that the X is not working. That's why I said the other way to get out of this is again Control and the space bar. That closes that preview window. There have been some reports of this not working so well if it's a PDF file. But for lots of things, it's a great way to just quickly be able to preview what's in a file. There is an image. Control and space, and there's that image for you to look at without actually having to open the file. Control and space, and you close that preview window. One of the nice new features added to PowerToys in its latest version. Why not install PowerToys on your system and give it a try? Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps. And thanks for watching and listening.